If your family is new to a military base, you may think that Halloween may have to go on hold while you're stationed there. You may be surprised to learn this isn't the case. Americans are expected to spend $2.6 billion on Halloween candy this year alone. Whether located domestically or internationally, U.S. military bases have a wide assortment of trick-or-treat related activities, from the traditional grab-and-go to the contemporary trunk or treating. Halloween isn't just for kids anymore. Whether you buy a costume or make one yourself, dressing up for the night is a great way to have fun and create new relationships while on base. Treats for Troops is a Halloween candy drive organized by Soldiers Angels that enlists both families and businesses to donate candy to veterans, service members, and their families, as well as troops who may be injured. For more fun Halloween ideas and activities, please visit our website.